Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Let's start off with the four great principles of marketing.
Marketing principle number 1. Marketing is first and foremost.
Your marketing plan and methods should always be the primary consideration of your business.
That's because to be successful, a business must have revenue.
And no revenue can be generated until you find customers who want your product or service.
That is the task of your marketing.
Through marketing, you need to find enough suspects to uncover the few prospects you need each month.
Without customers who want what you're offering, you have no business. That's why
marketing is first and foremost. Your monthly goal is to talk with at least 20 people and hopefully as many as 50 or more who have a house for sale.
You'll also need to talk to that many buyers or possibly many more.
The key with buyers is that we've automated the whole house selling process in amazing ways with our 1-hour home sale system.
So when you've got a home to sell, take advantage of that system. With real estate investing, you only need to find 1 to 3 sellers and 1 to 3 buyers each month.
You just need to get your marketing systems into place so you can maintain that consistently. If you do that, you will get rich.
Marketing principle number 2. Trial and error is vital.
So to generate reliable revenue each month, you need to find, as we said, 20 to 50 potential sellers and probably 20 to 80 plus potential buyers.
And you need to do it consistently.
Implementing some combination of the 12 main marketing methods will bring you those prospects consistently.
You just need to figure out what exactly is your winning combination.
You need to crack that code. And through what process?
Trial and error.
We'll be showing you in great detail in our video demonstrations how to implement every one of the 12 main marketing methods.
And as you implement them yourself, you will get some specific results.
A certain number of sellers and a certain number of buyers will respond to your marketing messages.
If you've never marketed for home sellers and buyers before, then you'll have some learning curve.
By tracking your results carefully, you can really accelerate or compress that learning curve.
You'll quickly figure out what methods are getting you the best response.
Which ones are finding you the qualified prospects that you need to succeed.
For the principle of trial and error to work for you, just focus on these 3 steps to trial and error success.
Number 1. Implement 3 to 4 marketing methods, ones with histories of success.
Follow our directions and runs here to make sure you're doing everything right.
Follow as close as you can the step-by-step video demonstrations that Darcy and Jerome go through for each marketing method.
Those are so helpful and sometimes really funny too.
They are. But now don't forget all the great role plays. Those are in there too, and those come with the scripts in the manual that you're going to follow.
Number 2, track your results.
Use our special marketing tracking chart. Now, Ron loves that form.
Number 3, make smart adjustments.
Stop doing what's not getting results and do more of what is getting results. It's that simple.
We teach about making smart adjustments a lot at our Taking Action workshop, which, by the way, is free to all Wolfpack members.
So just remember to track your results on our marketing forums so you can really take advantage of principle number 2, trial and error.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.